Everyone, and welcome to break 36-33 for the 2019-20 P2J Sports Cards exclusive basketball edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, October 19th, 2020. It is 11:31 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:31 p.m. Central Time, and 8:31 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have E-Rock 3 spots, Matt 1, Staple 3, MDK 2, GS Sports Cards 2, Ron 3, T-Traho 2, Cass 1, Wansum 1, Rubberman 1, Midmo 5, Mike with 3, Card 3. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Midmo on top, card on the bottom. Midmo with the Hawks, T-Traho Celtics, MDK Nets, E-Rock Hornets, Want Some Bulls, Card Cavaliers, E-Rock Mavericks, Ron Nuggets, Staple with the Pistons, GS Sports Cards Warriors, T-Traho Rockets, GS Sports Cards Pacers, Mike Clippers Lakers, Cass Grizzlies, E-Rock Heat, Staple Bucks, MDK Timberwolves, Rubberman Pelicans, Midmo Knicks, Ron Thunder, Card Magic, Midmo 76ers Suns, Ron Trailblazers, Midmo Kings, Staple Spurs, Mike Raptors, Matt Jazz, and card last but not least for the Washington Wizards. I'll seal it up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Sealed on both sides. Empty. And we have a Duncan Robinson Signature Series Miami Heat Auto. Very nice. Duncan Robinson Miami Heat will go to... who has Miami? Welcome to Miami Heat, and that is E-Rock 8. Congrats on break 36-33 for the 2019-20 P2J Sports Cards exclusive basketball edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.